In this video, we'll cover how to download, install and use the Hitem3D X Blender plugin. 1. How to download the plugin. First, open Hitem3D official site, click Plugins at the top nav bar, then Blender to start downloading. 2. How to install the plugin. First, open the Blender. Recommend version 4.5.1+. Then click Edit. Then Preferences. Then Add-ons. Next, click here and select Install from disk. Select the downloaded zip plugin file. And remember not to unzip it. After installation, you'll see the plugin information right here. 3. How to activate the Hitem3D plugin. First, in the toolbar on the right side of Blender, click to expand the Hitem3D plugin panel. Then select Hitem3D Model Generator. We need to bind the key. This step is essential. And click Go Billing. It will take you to the Hitem3D API key page. Before that, you need to log into your Hitem3D account first. Then click Resource Packages. You can purchase the corresponding credit packages as needed. First-time users can get 100 credits for free. But note that it is valid for 7 days only. Then go back here and click Create Key. Then you need to enter a name for the API key to easily distinguish it on the platform. Once created, the page will display your Hitem3D API key. Please copy the key separately. Then go back to Blender and enter the access key and secret key respectively. Finally, click Confirm. Wait a moment and the Generate interface will appear below. This means you have successfully installed and activated the Hitem3D Blender plugin. 4. How to use this plugin. Here you can use Image to 3D. Just upload an image. And you can also use Multi-View to 3D. It includes the front view, back view, left view, and right view. Besides that, you can also click here to select Portrait Modeling. And you can click Model Version to choose between v1.5 or v2.0. v1.5 offers to resolutions 512 and 1536. And v2.0 offers to resolutions 1536 and 1536 Pro. And at the bottom, you can also set face limit. Let's try uploading an image to create a 3D model. After uploading, click Generate. Wait for a moment and you will see the model here. You can see the model outline in the preview interface. At this point, you just need to click the eye icon next to cube to hide it here. Then the generated model will be fully displayed. Next, we add textures to the generated model. First, click here to expand the Hitem3D Texture Generator panel. Then select the model and click Add Object. The model's texture image will be added. Finally, click Generate. Wait a moment and the model with generated textures will also be displayed here. You can close the eye icon of the previous model and finally click here. The textured model will then be displayed. This completes your experience of using the Hitem3D plugin in Blender to perform image to 3D modeling. In addition, you can click on Hitem3D Model Manager to check the task generation progress, model information, and more. Or you can go to the API page, click Usage Query, then click Account Overview to check the usage status of model tasks, and click Usage Details to view the generation status of specific models. Okay, the above is the tutorial for downloading, installing, activating, and using the Hitem3D Blender plugin. Try the Hitem3D plugin in your own projects, and let's create more amazing 3D models together.